Dear friends, today we shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 4. Question number 4 is a plane is flying at a height of 5000 meter above the sea level. Here see, this is above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? You see, the vertical distance is, here you can see here, the vertical distance, that means this distance plus this distance is the vertical distance, right? Now here we are writing here like this, right? That is the vertical height will be, right, height of a plane above the sea level, height of the plane, height of the plane, height of the plane above sea level, is equal to 5000 meter, is equal to 5000 meter, right? Height of the place above sea level is 5000 meter, right? And floating a submarine below the sea level, floating a submarine below the sea level, is equal to 1200 meter, right? Now you see here, that is the height of the plane above sea level is 5000 meter, and floating a submarine below the sea level is 1200 meter. Therefore, the vertical distance between the plane and submarine, vertical distance, this distance plus this distance. Therefore, the vertical distance between the plane, and the submarine is equal to 5000 plus 1200 meter, that is equal to 6200 meter, right? What is the vertical distance between them? Therefore, we can say that the vertical distance between them is 6200 meter. Therefore, the vertical distance between them, is 6200 meter, and that is our answer. Again we are repeating, height of the plane above the sea level is, here you see, this is 5000 meter. Here you can see that this is 5000 meter, this is 5000, and the submarine below the sea level is 1200 meter. The total vertical distance is 5000 plus 1200, right? That is 6200 meter. Therefore, we can say that the vertical distance between them is 6200 meter. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.